Today we're looking at a hot dog maker by VEVOR. It's a hot dog steamer, 27 liter, 24.5, 2-quart, 2-tier steamer right here. You can see this is where you open and close to empty the water out. Really easy. It did need a little bit of assembly, not a lot. They had some plastic coating on everything that had to be peeled off. That was really a pain in the butt that I really found, but other than that, it seemed pretty good quality. We did use it. It cooks up to 175 hot dogs and 40 buns. Now, it does depend on what kind of size hot dogs and what kind of buns you're using, but that's simple as that. It's got a temperature rotation on and off button, and the fuse is under here. So if you pop the fuse, just pop open the little area and you can reset the fuse. Comes with 2 tongs, as you see here. Again, made by VEVOR. I liked it quite a bit. We've been using it a couple of times and had no issues whatsoever. The design is cool. It's very cute, almost commercial looking. I'm not sure how commercial it is, but it looks commercial. Well built, but all around you see the stainless steel. There was like a little coating on it that we had to peel off piece by piece. So that was a little bit of a pain. Painstaking, I must say, to get that all off. But other than that, it seems like good construction. The glass was right there, easy to take off. They just pop right out, as you can see here. I'll take them out and show you to them one at a time. They are tempered glass, which is important. I like that. This is really nice for cooking hot dogs. I mean, I would suggest personally is to cook the hot dogs first and then put them in the steamer and keep them warm. I think that seems to be the right way to doing it. This is the divider, so you can have 2 different types of hot dogs, maybe having 2 different types of beef franks or whatever, sausages, whatever you want to do. So you can see these plates that sit on top here. These are stainless steel. You can wash them, dishwasher safe. You can see inside the reservoir here, it does say in the recommendation to 3/4 fill this up with water. It does a tempered switch in there as well, and a big heating element, as you can see inside there. So pretty easily, pretty simple design. You basically heat the water and create steam. That's pretty much how it works. And on top here is where the buns go, and below there where the hot dogs go. So it's a very simple design, and just really pretty well thought out. I do like it quite a bit. So if you're running a carnival, if you're running an event at home, if you're having a home barbecue and you want to keep the hot dogs warm, this is a great way of doing it. Really simple and really cute. And nothing like a warm hot dog and a warm bun. So it's really nice quality. Again, made by this company. They did not send this to me. This was purchased myself, and we purchased it ourselves to do the actual job itself, and I said make a review and talk to you about this item. So again, this is not sponsored. I did pay for it myself. I do recommend it. Definitely highly recommend it. Definitely a nice quality. It is what it is. It does what it does.